Okay, liver blood supply. Liver blood supply is a unique circulation because of the multi sources of supplying the liver. The liver is usually supplied by two sources, or it is always, not usually, sorry for the expression, it is always supplied by two sources. The first one is the portal vein, and the portal vein is the most important source of blood supply to the liver. Portal vein. It constitutes 80% of blood supply to the liver. 80% of blood supply to the liver is derived from the portal vein. Okay. The rest, 20% of blood supply to the liver is the hepatic artery. Hepatic artery. Okay. So it is portal vein and hepatic artery that supplies or supply the liver. Hepatic artery. Okay, it is 20%. 20%. And this is actually the unique thing about the blood supply to the liver, that we have one source that supplies blood to the organs. For example, the kidney is supplied by the renal artery, but here it's supplied by two sources. The first one is the portal vein, 80%, and the second one is the hepatic artery, 20%. I will show you this in graph. This is the graph. Here, this is the portal vein. This is the portal vein. And by the way, the portal vein brings blood from the bowel. Okay, brings blood from the bowel. In the future, I will talk about something which is called esophageal varices. It has something to do with this. Okay, so just keep in mind that the portal vein brings blood from the bowel and it constitutes 80% of blood supply to the liver. And here's the hepatic artery, which is branched from the celiac trunk. I will show you the celiac trunk, which is very important. See, okay, my mistake. Oops. Let's assume this is the aorta. Oh, this is the aorta. Oh, what's happening? Can't find that suitable thing to. Okay, draw. Okay, let's just back to the normal one. Okay, this is the arch of the aorta. This is the abdominal aorta. From the abdominal aorta, three main branches come out. The first one, which is the celiac trunk. This is the celiac trunk. The second one is the superior mesenteric and the inferior mesenteric. I will talk about the superior trunk, celiac trunk, sorry, because it is the artery that branch to supply the stomach, the duodenum, and the liver and the spleen and the gallbladder. Now we are talking about the hepatic artery. Celiac trunk first come like that. It gives the left. Okay, let's just write it in symbol. Left. L is left, okay, and G is gastric. Left gastric artery, and then it gives the splenic. S is splenic. A is artery. Okay, left gastric artery and splenic artery. After that, just turn that like that and gives the right gastric artery. And after the right gastric artery, the gastroduodenal artery. And immediately after the gastroduodenal artery, the celiac trunk gives the common hepatic artery. Common hepatic artery. Let's write it in words instead of symbols because it is our subject here. Hepatic artery. And after giving the common hepatic artery, actually it branches at a very variable level to produce the right and left hepatic artery. It could branch here or here or here, whatever. The important thing that it branches at very variable levels to give the right hepatic and the left hepatic, and there is the middle hepatic, which is not very important. Usually concern the right hepatic and the left hepatic. From the name, we can know that the right hepatic artery supplies most of the right loop of the liver. Okay, this is the right hepatic artery. Okay, let's just make it bigger. This is the largest organ in the body, as we say. Okay, 1.5 kilogram. Okay, the right hepatic supplies most of the right loop of the liver. It is about 3/4 of liver blood supply. Okay, and the left hepatic supplies most of the left loop of the liver. So the right hepatic, because it is supplies the majority of the liver parenchyma, it is the larger one. It is the larger of the two. Okay, if I ask you which one is the larger, the right hepatic or the left, you can answer that the right hepatic, because it supplies most of the liver parenchyma, is the larger. Okay, so we've said that the right hepatic and left hepatic is branches from the common hepatic, which comes from the celiac trunk. This happens in most cases, okay, but not in all cases. In some cases, the superior mesenteric artery, this is the superior mesenteric artery, gives the right hepatic artery. Instead of the celiac trunk. Okay, this right hepatic artery from the superior mesenteric artery. Okay, and in the same way, the left gastric artery sometimes gives the left hepatic arteries. So, in common, in most cases, the hepatic blood supply comes from the celiac trunk, which divided our branches into many branches. Okay, and in the last, it branches to give the right hepatic and the left hepatic arteries. In some cases, the right hepatic artery comes from the superior mesenteric artery, and the left hepatic artery comes from the left gastric artery. I will show you some graphs to make it more clear. This one is about the celiac trunk. This is the abdominal aorta. This is the celiac trunk. Okay, as we said, this is splenic artery. Here we have the left gastric artery. After that, right gastroduodenal artery. And as we said, after the gastroduodenal artery, here's the hepatic artery, left hepatic, right hepatic. Okay, left hepatic and right hepatic. Celiac trunk is a very important subject here. Okay, and here we have another one. Descending aorta, celiac trunk, the left gastric artery, splenic artery, and after that it continues to give the right gastric artery, gastroduodenal, and the common hepatic. Then branches at a very variable levels to give the right hepatic and the left hepatic. we say that this is in most cases, okay? Some cases have the right hepatic from the superior mesenteric artery. This is the superior mesenteric. It is not the celiac trunk. See, the superior mesenteric give a hepatic artery, and we call it anomalous hepatic artery because it is from the superior mesenteric artery and not from the celiac trunk as usual. Okay, this is the normal hepatic artery, and this is the anomalous hepatic artery, right hepatic artery from superior mesenteric. Okay, where is the rest? Oops. Here we have, this is the portal vein, the most important from the two sources of blood supply to the liver. It is larger than the hepatic artery. It constitutes, as we said, 80% of blood supply, and it comes from the bowel. And this is the hepatic artery, right, left, middle, etc., etc. Okay, this is about the blood supply to the liver. I will remember you in the last point that sometimes the left hepatic artery can come from the left gastric artery. See you in the next video. Thank you.